Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter. We will chant now from sloka number, verse number 1. 1 to 10 I will chant because we have learned in the last class. Chant together. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः. श्री भगवान् उवाच इमं विवस्वते योगम् प्रोक्तवानहमव्ययम् विवस्वान्मनवे प्राह मनुरिक्ष्वाकवे ब्रवीत् एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकाले नेह महता योगो नष्टः परन्तप स एवायं मयातीद्य योगः प्रोक्तः पुरातनः भक्तोऽसि मे सखा चेति रहस्यं ह्येतदुत्तमम्। अर्जुन उवाच अपरं भवतो जन्म परं जन्म विवस्वतः कथमेतद्विजानीयाम् त्वमादौ प्रोक्तवानिति। श्रीभगवानुवाच बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव चार्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप अजोऽपि सन्नव्ययात्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतिं स्वामधिष्ठाय सम्भवाम्यात्ममायया यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सोऽर्जुन। वीतरागभयक्रोधाः मन्मया मामुपाश्रिताः बहवो ज्ञानतपसा पूता मद्भावमागताः। So we will learn today from sloka number 11, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter. मैत्रेयी तुम्हार वीडियोटा ऑन करो और संध्या जी, निकिता जी, प्लीज ट्राई टू ओपन अप योर वीडियो. I want to see the faces. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते. मैत्रेयी চ্যান্ট করো আমার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে, আমার পরে পরে, না হলে শিখতে পারবে না। জোরে জোরে চ্যান্ট করো। मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. टुगेदर ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते Manushya Partha Sarvashah. Imnamma and Arunamma, we are chanting 4th chapter. We will now chant 12th sloka. And please switch on your video. Arunamma also, please switch on your video. I want to see your faces. 12th mantra or 12th sloka. Kangshantah karmanam siddhim. Kangshantah karmanam siddhim. Yajanta iha devataha. Yajanta iha devataha. Kshipram himanushe loke. Kshipram himanushe loke. Siddhir bhavati karmaja. Siddhir bhavati karmaja. Together. Kangshantah karmanam. Kangshantah karmanam siddhim. Yajanta iha devataha. Kshipram himanushe loke. Siddhir bhavati karmaja. Once more. Kangshantah karmanam siddhim. Yajanta iha devataha. Kshipram himanushe loke. Siddhir bhavati karmaja. 13th sloka is very, very important. 13th sloka is very, very important. So, Android Blue, please switch on your video. Arunamma, switch on your video, please. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam. Very, very important sloka. Huh? Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam. Gunakarma vibhagashah. Gunakarma vibhagashah. Tasya kartaramapi mam. Tasya kartaramapi mam. Vidhyakartaramavyayam. Vidhyakartaramavyayam. Today I will ask everyone else to chant. So learn in that way. Okay? Together. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam. Gunakarma vibhagashah. Tasya kartaramapi mam. Vidhyakartaramavyayam. Clear? Once more. Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam. Gunakarma vibhagashah. Tasya kartaramapi mam. Vidhyakartaramavyayam. Sloka number 14. That is also very important. Namam karmani limpanti. Name karma phale spriha. Namam karmani limpanti. Name karma phale spriha. Iti mam yo bhijanati. Iti mam yo bhijanati. Karma bhirna sabadhyate. Karma bhirna sabadhyate. What Bhagavan is trying to say, that I never attached myself with the karma. or I do not have any attraction, any attachment to the result of the karma. That is why I never gets bound by the karma or karma phala. Namam karmani limpanti name karma phale spriha iti mam yobhijanati karma bhirna sabadhyate. Namam karmani limpanti name karma phale spriha iti mam yobhijanati karma bhirna sabadhyate. Sloka number 15. Evam jnatva kritam karma. That is also important. Evam jnatva kritam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmatvam kuru karmaiva tasmatvam purvairapi purvai purvataram kritam purvaih purvataram kritam. Clear? Why are you smiling? That I missed the pronunciation of Upadmanyam. I know that. Together. Evam jnatva kritam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmatvam purvaih purvataram kritam. Once more. Evam jnatva kritam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmatvam purvaih purvataram kritam. Clear? Thank you. Now, sloka number 16. That is also important. Kim karma kima karmeti. See, here you have to chant technically. Okay. Kim karma kima karmeti. You have to chant kim karma kim akarmeti. Kim akarma iti. So you have to chant very technically, you know. Kim karma kima karmeti. Clear? Kim karma kima karmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami tatte karma. See, pra is conjunct consonant. Tatte karma pravakshyami yajñatva mokshase shubhat yajñatva mokshase shubhat. For the Bengali speaker, 3 sakara is there. Moksha, murdhanashva, then se, dantasa, then shubhat, talabhyasa. So 3 sakara will be pronounced distinctly. Yajñatva mokshase shubhat. In English, there is some seashells on the seashore. Sea shore or shore. Seashore. Yes. Shannon, please guide us. Please tell. No, chant loudly the whole thing. She, yes, she sells seashells on the seashore. Yes, like that. Kiಂ karma kimakarmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami yajñatva mokshase shubha kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami yajñatva mokshase shubhat. Sloka number 17.
Swamiji, I had one question, please.
Yes.
Can you please repeat the first part of shloka number 16? What is the technical part that you were trying to explain?
King karma, kima karmeti, it is there.
Yes.
So the meaning will come out if we split it. But technically, grammatically, while chanting, we can't split anything. But we have to do. So we have to pronounce it with the trick, Very quickly we have to do. Just see, just listen what I'm doing. Kim karma kim akar, kim karma kim akarmeti. Kim karma kim akarmeti. Clear? So you have to do like that. Thank you. Any doubt? Anything else? Clear? Okay. 17 also important. So all the important sloka, please mark it important. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam. He api, that is why the pronunciation is hyapi. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam. Bodhavyam cha vikarmanaha. Bodhavyam cha vikarmanaha. Akarmanascha bodhavyam. Akarmanascha bodhavyam. The last part is very, very important. Gahana karmano gatihi. Gahana karmano gatihi. Karma's gati is very deep. So when I tell I did so much, I do so much puja, so much worship, why it comes to me? And my neighbors, my cousins, they don't believe in that. They don't do anything else. And everything is favorable to them. Why? Why all such trouble in my life? Answer is the last quarter of 17th sloka of 4th chapter Bhagavad Gita. Gahana karmano gatihi. We don't know what we have done in our past life, and we are getting the result. Together. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam. Bodhavyam cha vikarmanaha. Akarmanascha bodhavyam. Gahana karmano gatihi. And Vedanta is the ultimate solution. Vedanta vanishes you. When you are vanished, then where is your karma? Everything needs a support. You retain yourself as an individual. That is why all the results, good and bad, attack you. If you are not there, then who will attack whom? Vedanta vanishes you. Then problem automatically vanishes. Together. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam. Bodhavyam cha vikarmanaha. Maitreyi, don't unmute yourself. Mute. তোমার নিজেকে মিউট করে যত পারো চিৎকার করো। ভিডিওটা খুলে রাখতে বলেছি। তোমার চ্যান্টিং শুনবো আমরা। আমি মিউট করে দিচ্ছি, তোমায় করতে হবে না। ওকে। कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यम् बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यम् गहना कर्मणो गतिः. Clear? 18th also important. Okay. In 2.69, second chapter 69 sloka echoes the same thing. Okay. Okay. Karmanya karma. Karmanya karma yaf pashed. Karmanya karma yaf pashed. Then not the, split it. Pashet ta, not the. Split it. Karmanya karma yaf pashet ta. Then akarmani cha karmayah. Sabuddhiman manusyeshu. Sabuddhiman manusyeshu. Sayuktah. Sayuktah. Kha. Because Visarga is following Kakara. Sayuktah kritsna karma krita. Okay, chant. Karmanya karma yaf pashyet. Karmanya karma yaf pashyet. Akarmani cha karmayaha. Akarmani cha karmayaha. Sabuddhiman manusyeshu. Sayuktah kritsna karma krita. Sayuktah kritsna karma krita. Together. Very important sloka. Karmanya karma yaf pashyet. Akarmani cha karmayaha. Sabuddhiman manusyeshu. Sayuktah kritsna karma krita. Once more. Karmanya karma yaf pashyet. Karmanya karma yaf pashyet. Akarmani cha karmayaha. Sabuddhiman manusyeshu. Sayuktah kritsna karma krita. Clear? Now sloka number
Swamiji,
19. Yes.
it's a Krishna. Krishna.
Kritsna. Kritsna.
Krishna.
Not
Okay.
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay.
It is Dantasa. Krits.
Krishna.
Yes.
Okay, Swamiji. Thank you.
19. Yasya sarve samarambhaha. Yasya sarve samarambhaha. Kama sankalpa varjitaha. Kama sankalpa varjitaha. Jnanagni dagdha karmanam. Jnanagni dagdha karmanam. Tamahuh panditam buddhaha. Tamahuh pandita Tamahuh panditam buddhaha. Here, after who, you are seeing visarga. So visarga is following pa. So visarga's pronunciation will be transformed into fakara, which is called upadhamana. Clear? So together can we chant? Yasya Deepa Vishwas. It is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If you are having the Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter it is we are chanting right now. 19th sloka. Okay. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha jnanagni-dagdha karmanam tamahuh panditam buddhaha. Once more. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha jnanagni-dagdha karmanam tamahuh panditam buddhaha. Clear to everyone else? Okay. Now sloka number 20. Tyaktva karma phala sangam nitya tripto nirashrayah karmanya vipravityopi naiva kinchit karoti saha. These are, you will get the explanation of this sloka, you will get in sloka number 18. The 18th sloka, karmanya karmaya pashed. So that explanation you will get from sloka number 19 to 23. Okay. So it's a couple. 19 to 23 is the answer or explanation of sloka number 18, which is the echo of 2nd chapter 69th sloka, Bhagavad Gita. Okay, 20th sloka. Please chant after me. Tyaktva karma phala sangam. Tyaktva karma phala sangam. Nitya tripto nirashrayah. Nitya tripto nirashrayah. Karmanya vipravittopi. Karmanya vipravittopi. Naiva kinchit karoti saha. Naiva kinchit karoti saha. Together. Tyaktva karma phala sangam nitya tripto nirashrayah karmanya vipravittopi naiva kinchit karoti saha. Once more. Tyaktva karma phala sangam nitya tripto nirashrayah karmanya vipravittopi naiva kinchit karoti saha. Today we will chant together from 11 to 20 what we have learned today. Okay. Please chant with me. Then I will ask you each and every one to chant, except Deepa Vishwas. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tans tathaiva bhajamyaham. Mama vartmanu vartante manushya partha sarvashah kangshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataha kshipram himanushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja chatur varnyam maya shrishtam gunakarma vibhagasah tasya kartaramapi mam vidhya kartaramavyayam namam karmani limpanti name karma phale spriha iti mam yo bhijanati कर्मभिर्न स बध्यते एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वैः पूर्वतरं कृतं किं कर्म किमकर्मेति कवयोऽप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्षसे शुभात् कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः कर्मण्यकर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्नकर्मकृत् यस्य सर्वे समारम्भाः कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणं तमाहुः पण्डितं बुधाः त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गं नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः. Sloka number 19, the third quarter says the everything what yesterday night Judaite Chai class we have discussed. Today morning elaborately we have discussed Jnanagni Dagdha Karmanam. The knowledge, the fire of knowledge of the self destroys all your karma phalam. যত কর্মফল আছে সমস্ত কিছু জ্ঞান দ্বারা ভস্মীভূত হয় सारे कर्म भस्मीभूत हो जाता है. Okay, now we will practice. Usha Amma, please chant. Unmute yourself.
श्री परमात्मने नमः.
Can you please be louder a little bit?
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तास्तथैव भजाम्यहम्.
No Amma,
मम
please
च-
chant with
मम-
me. Amma,
Hmm.
ye yatha mam prapadyante, please chant.
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते
तांस्तथैव भजामि.
तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्.
Then
मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते.
Amma, please listen to me. No vartaman. Mama worth. Say worth. Chant
Worth.
with me. Worth.
वर्
Mama manu. Chant.
मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते.
No.
मम
Please chant after me 5 times. Vartmanu. Chant please 5 times.
वर्तमानु
Mama. Yes.
मम
Mama vartmanu.
मम वर्तमानु वर्तन्ते मनुष्याया पार्थ सर्वशः.
No. Manushya, I will scold now. So many days we are chanting. Manushya.
मनुष्याः.
No. Manushya. বিসর্গ আছে আম্মা তারপরে প আছে তাহলে বিসর্গের উচ্চারণ ফ এর মতো হবে.
मनुष्या पार्थ सर्वशः.
Yes, once more chant.
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तास्तथैव भजाम्यहम्. मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः.
Wonderful. But Vartmanu, not Vartamanu. Okay, Pratima Amma. Unmute yourself first. Amma, unmute yourself first.
काञ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मनुष्ये लोके
No,
सिद्धिर्भवति
manushe loke.
क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा.
Yes. Bimla Amma.
चातुर्वर्णमया श्रेष्ठं गुणकर्म विभाषव
Vivagashah.
विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्य कर्तारवयम्
No, vidya kartaram. Say
विद्य कर्तारमयम्
no, যতটুকু বলবো ততটুকু বলো আমার সঙ্গে। vidya kartaram. Chant.
विद्य कर्तारम्
avyayam.
विद्य कर्तार अव्ययम्
আমি শুধু avyayam বলতে বলেছি।
अव्ययम्
Yes. So vidya kartaram.
विद्य कर्तार अव्ययम्
ওকে, মঞ্জুশ্রী আম্মা একটু চেষ্টা করবে নাকি? আনমিউট করো, পারবে? আনমিউট করো, ওই মাইকের সাউন্ডটাতে হাত দাও, তাতে আনমিউট হয়ে যাবে। চেষ্টা করো না, পারবে, সবাই পারছে, তুমি পারবে না কেন? দেখো একটা মাইকের সাইন আছে এরকম সোজা করা, সেইটাতে হাত দাও, তাহলেই তুমি কথা বলতে পারবে। ওকে, চেষ্টা করো। শ্যানন, your turn. Unmute yourself first. Yes. Not no. Don't chant like a Bengali. Na. Bhale spriha. Yes. No. Listen. Iti mam chant. Yo bhi janati. Then karma bhirna. Chant with me. Badhyate. Yes, good, wonderful, wonderful. Anshu Amma.
एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वतरं कृतम्
Purvaif.
पूर्वतरं कृतम्
Wonderful.
पूर्वतरं कृतम्
Yes. Maitreyi. Unmute করো, এবার তো আনমিউট করো। ব্যাস, ভিডিওটা অফ করে ফেললো। ভগবান, ভিডিওটা চালাও আর মাইকের সাউন্ডটাতে হাত দাও। সব লোক নিয়ে। আরে মাইকের সাউন্ড বাঁদিকে আছে দেখো, সেইটাতে হাত দাও, দেখো তুমি আনমিউট। হ্যাঁ, এই তো হয়েছে, চলো।
किं कर्म कर्माति किं
না 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 না, আমার সঙ্গে বলো। কিং কর্ম
किं कर्म
किमकर्मेति
किम कर्मेति
5 बार बोलो
किं किं कर्म किम कर्मेति किं
5 बार
कर्म किं कर्म किम कर्मेति किं कर्म किम कर्मेति किं कर्म किम कर्मेति किं कर्म किम कर्मेति
আর তারপর
कवयः पत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि जजगता मोक्षेह शुभात्
না বলো यज्ञात्वा
जज की
यज्ञात्वा
जज ज्ञत्वा
मोक्षसे शुभात
मोक्ष से शुभात्
5 बार बोलो
जज ज्ञत्वा मोक्ष से शुभात् जज ज्ञत्वा मोक्ष से शुभात्
मोक्ष
मोक्ष से हो शुभात् जज गत्तता
এই यज्ञात्वा मोक्षसे ओके बिमलाम्मा टेक रेस्ट बिमलाम्मा
कर्मणो यपि बोधव्यं
माँ
बोध
माँ बोद्धव्यम बोधव्यम नहीं
बोद्धव्यं बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोधव्यं
नो नो
कर्मणो गतिः
তো ভুল হয়েছে অকর্মণশ্চ হবে না অ ছোট ভাওয়েল শর্ট ভাওয়েল অকর্মণা ওয়ান ওয়ার্ড অকর্মণশ্চ
बोधव्यं
नो बोधव्यम the and dha is there
बोद्धव्यं दध अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः
once more अम्मा
Is it okay?
हाँ खूब सुंदर
कर्मणो यपि बोधव्यं बोधव्यं च विकर्मणः
बोद्धव्यम
बोद्धव्यम মানে ধ পুরো হবে
হ্যাঁ
ধ পুরো হবে দা
হ্যাঁ
দা একটু হবে
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করে এসেছি না ওটাই তো মাথায় এসেছে कर्मणो यपि बोद्धव्यं बोधव्यं च विकर्मणः
no second part also बोद्धव्यम half the
बोद्धव्यं
yes
बोधद्ध एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस इतना हुआ है ना वो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा
लगने
समझ में आ गया पॉइंट समझ में आ गया कर्मणो यपि बोद्धव्यं बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः Is it okay, Swamiji?
yes wonderful I'm very happy
अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः
wonderful everyone is wonderful